There are 4 things you need for success in your business: volume, variety, variation, and visibility. To be successful, organizations need managers who can control the key activities that turn resources into products or services. The basic notion of the creation of goods and services is founded on adding value throughout each operations management procedure. So, let's look at the 4 V's of operations management. Volume in operations management. The total amount of a product that must be produced in order to satisfy the demand for it in the market is known as its output value. This refers to the quantity of physical products or goods manufactured. A fast food restaurant such as KFC is an example of a high-volume manufacturing service. Every day around the world, it sells millions of chicken and other food items bearing its trademark name. KFC is well known for having a high degree of uniformity in terms of flavor, which is one of the aspects that distinguishes it from rivals. Alternatively, a low-volume example might be a sculptor who creates one-of-a-kind commissions and works of art. These are unique, which implies that they will take a long time to create and that they may not be readily duplicated or imitated. This is laborious and usually takes many months to complete. Scarcity is frequently utilized to boost sales, but it may also be used to generate a significant brand lift. It exploits consumers' anxiety of missing out. Volume is a significant tool because it shows how confident people are in a product or service. Although volume should never be used alone to make decisions, it can give you insights into the market and help you figure out your next steps. Variety in operations management. This V is all about the different types of products and services that are available for sale. Selling different types of products or services can help organizations increase their sales and profit potential. This can help reduce the risk of the organization's closure if demand for 1 or 2 products decreases. For example, Unilever sells around 400 brands spanning multiple distinct categories, such as soaps, shampoos, skincare, toothpastes, deodorants, cosmetics, tea, coffee, preserves, ice cream. The company is part of the everyday life of millions of consumers across the globe. Unilever has a lot of different products for different types of people. They have a lot of different kinds of products, so there's something for everyone. Variety allows for greater adaptability in manufacturing goods and services to satisfy a consumer's requirements. Variety and quantity are related. The more varied the products or services, the less numerous they are. Variation in operations management. It refers to how much demand fluctuates over time to external factors. Consider COVID-19, which sent everything into pandemonium. Business processes are almost always made up of numerous variants, which must be handled as a whole. The majority of these techniques rely on the notion that individual input is available. It takes a lot of experience and maturity on the part of managers to fill in the blanks. When processes don't follow a set procedure, it leads to quality problems in both transactional and production processes. Visibility in operations management. The value chain of a firm's all operations as a whole. Customers must interact with the company's goods, services. Service businesses provide greater visibility than manufacturing companies due to their service and sales. For example, restaurants, catering and cleaning services. Track and trace software, for example, is available on Amazon's website and allows customers to keep track of the status of their shipments at all times. It is critical that potential consumers be able to locate the firm they are seeking for. Most individuals have had the experience of getting lost at some time or another. It's aggravating to search for a customer and not be able to find the place they're looking for, whether it's a company's workshop, warehouse, retail store, head office, customer care center, or anything else. Visibility is essential for effective sign management. Businesses should ensure that their signage is well lit and visible so that visitors may quickly find it. Otherwise, the experience might turn into a negative one. Repeat customers can be found faster thanks to high visibility signage. Unilever's operations management is in charge of integrating the 4 V's successfully throughout the organization while maintaining a high level of productivity. Operations managers create methods and processes to help organizations increase their volume, variety, difference, and visibility. Unilever's operations team directly supervises marketing, sales, financial, and human resources performance. It aims to address all important decision areas in order to maintain high production levels. Unilever has developed innovative operational management techniques to optimize all 4 V's. Want to learn more about operations management? Check out our playlist on screen now.